Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolfpack 4500Pack14. This camper comes in at 45 feet 3 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 13,800 pounds empty. As we get started on the outside here, you'll notice we have the high gloss gel coated fiberglass. Underneath, we're going to have a storage compartment here that will lead on both sides. It is all connected up front, and they have these D-ring, these tie-down brackets here, so you can secure your chairs or whatever you're hauling in there. Underneath, it is equipped with the generator already on board. That is the Yamaha 5,500 watt inverter generator, and the remote is also with it, so you can start that as you're standing outside of the camper. Over here we have your battery box, your vent for the battery, and then this switch is going to be for the blue lights up front. You'll notice we have the fiberglass cap up here with the beautiful design, extra LED lights up there as well. One thing to point out on the side, this is prepped for the camera system for the 360 view, where you can add side cameras and a back camera as well. It's equipped with two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have a magnetic door catch here, lots of pass-through storage. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here where the furry family members can tag along. Entrance door with the sturdy steps where each leg is adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. Oversized grab handle to help you in and out. We also have the full-size door, screen door with an integrated window in the door itself there. Over here we have an outside kitchen. We have this large outside refrigerator, ice maker, storage up top, blue accent LED light, and then your grill that comes with it. There's a gas port underneath for the griddle to plug into, so that way you just use the gas on the camper. This camper is also equipped with a one-touch auto leveling system. So inside you simply push one button and it will level itself out. We have outside speakers that light up blue, outside TV bracket. It's the same bracket on the inside. So you would simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in. TV connections down below. It has an on-demand water heater, which is a tankless system. It is gas only and about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. Down below, you'll notice the center cap is popped off. And these are the quick, easy lube axles. All four wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How that'll work, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So that way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We have the two power awnings with the blue LED accent lights. We have the larger one up front and also the one in the back, so you pretty much get full awning coverage the whole length of the camper here. Entrance door in the back. It is the same entrance door with the black tempered glass built-in window there. Another leash latch back here. We also have vents built into the garage area, so if you're hauling something with fumes, you can keep it vented out. In the back, we have the patio system all set up for you. It comes with these steps as well, so you can utilize the patio system to get on and off. Up top, we have the bright LED light and another prep for that observation camera. We have the 3-season patio doors included with this model, so you can close off the garage area, keep the air and heat inside. And they also have screens built in for fresh air as well. Moving around on this side, we have your ladder prep at the top. So you can buy a telescoping ladder, hook it up there for roof maintenance purposes. We have this 30-gallon fuel cell that is on board. This will run your generator. It also has a separate fuel nozzle so you can fill up your toys that you take with you. And you have your fuel pump right here. This is a 50-amp unit. It'll come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. There is a sewer hose holder underneath to store your sewer hose when not in use. And now we will move up front, in front of the slide room here. If you're at a campground that offers cable and satellite, you can tap right into it right here. We have your outside shower, which is a low pressure spray port with hot and cold water. This is a high pressure spray port right here, so if you want to wash off your toys, this is what you would use. We have your water fill station right back here with your fresh water fill. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, fill up your fresh water tank, turn on the water pump and use that water. We have your city water, so if you're at a campground, you simply hook up your water hose. That'll pressurize the lines for you. And then your black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the week or weekend, hook up your water hose here. That'll blast out the black tank for you. Other side of the pass-through storage, and then again with the 20-pound LP tank bottle. That will conclude our outside walkthrough of the Wolfpack 4500Pack14, and now we'll take a look at the inside. And now we will move to the inside. Got lots of seating in here with the opposing slide rooms. It is nice and open. Lots of storage as well. Big kitchen, lots of storage up top there. And we'll get started with the entertainment slide out here. We have the storage cabinets up above. The TV is included. Down below we have your fireplace, which can be on for looks, or it can be on as an electric space heater as well. We have a 12-volt charge port just to the right of that. Some open storage on the left-hand side there. A countertop extension that will flip up. These are solid surface countertops. Have a 110 outlet down here at the end of the counter. Another 110 outlet, actually a couple of them up by the backsplash there. Large kitchen window. We also have the oversized microwave. Again, plenty of lights up here. Lots of storage. We have the decorative lights up above. It is equipped with a 3-burner stove and the oven as well. The 3-burner stove has the glass prep cover, so that way if you are not cooking, you can utilize that as prep space. Furnace at the very bottom there. And we have a storage door and some drawers on the right-hand side. It has the large farmhouse-style kitchen sink with the high-rise faucet and the pull-out sprayer. We also have the additional rinse station over here on the right-hand side for your cups. And the sink is equipped with all of these different attachments with the cutting board, drying rack, a built-in strainer, all which can be removed and used separately. Over here at the end of this countertop, we're going to have your fuel gauge. So you can see how full and empty your fuel tank is on the outside. And your CO2 detector down below. We have built-in storage over here. The loft area, where the left-hand portion is storage, where the cargo net is. And we also have additional sleeping up top there. You can see the mattress that goes from wall to wall. The ladder is included to get up to that loft area. Over here in the other slide out, we have your pantry and the refrigerator. Pantry has the frosted glass door here. Gives it a nice look. Lots of storage inside here. With the shelf up top. It has built-in storage drawers as well, which is really unique. And open storage at the bottom. Your refrigerator is a 12-volt fridge. We have 300 watts of solar already mounted on the roof here. So that will help run the fridge while traveling down the road. And given that it is a 12-volt refrigerator, it is much deeper than the old gas style, giving you a lot of extra storage inside. We have your theater seating here. These are the heated massage chairs. This section is going to have the cup holders in the middle, as well as a storage area. Zebra blinds, which can be darkened out like they are, or partially open to let some sunlight in. Decorative lights over here. And we have a couple more recliners over here that are also the heated massage chairs. Zebra blind to the left. Overhead storage. And over by the blind, we have a spot for your generator, which will house your hour meter, and also a place to turn your generator on and off from the inside. On the wall going up to the bedroom bathroom area, we have a digital thermostat for your furnace and air conditioner. And down below here, we have your breakers and fuses. Just inside the entrance door, we have this hook area to hang your keys when you walk in the door. And over to the left, we have your main control panel to keep an eye on your holding tanks, run your awnings in and out, slide rooms in and out, and turn your water pump on and off. We have light switches up here. The blue switch on the right is for your 12-volt heating pads. This camper has 12-volt heating pads on all of the holding tanks. a voltmeter to keep an eye on your battery levels. And the top left is for your stereo. That is zone 1 and zone 2. How that works is you can use your phone to play music and control the speakers from the inside. Now we will move upstairs here into the bedroom area. As you can see, as soon as we walk in, we have this counter spot over here to the right. It's got your cable connection, so you can set a TV right up top there. It has another built-in fireplace. Large window over here. Up front, we have the farmhouse style doors. Storage up top with built-in cabinets and hanging storage down below. And you'll also notice the storage built in on the left and right hand side there. We have your mattress on a slide out. Got storage on both sides up top and 12-volt charge ports. LED accent light up top. You have your mattress here. This camper is equipped with 2 air conditioners. Both are 15,000 BTU. We have one up here in the bedroom and your main one in the living room. Both air conditioners are ducted together, so they will both push air throughout the entire camper. Here is your digital thermostat for the bedroom AC. Your switch to run the slide room in and out, and some light switches there. Also attached up here in the bedroom area is going to be the bathroom. Got your counter space as you walk in over there on the left. Toilet directly in front of us. Corner medicine cabinet, which gives you more space that way. This has a exhaust fan up top. It is a high-speed vent fan with multiple speeds. Open storage on the left for your linens. And of course, we have the shower over here on the right, which has the glass sliding doors. It's going to have the built-in storage on both sides. Upgraded shower head and the skylight up above. And just over here to the right, we are going to have some hooks for your towels. And over on the left-hand side, as you walk in, is going to be a digital thermostat for your on-demand water heater. That is where you can turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of the water coming out. So up front here, we have what I would consider like the master bedroom, which has the bathroom area built into it. And now we will go down and take a look at the garage area. This camper is equipped with a 14-foot garage, and it has the door to separate it. That door is going to have the built-in window and some more amenities out here. You'll notice it has the rubberized floor with tie-down brackets that go all the way up front here. So lots of tie-down brackets here. It is also going to have a half bath built into the garage. That window has a darkener over it. You'll notice it with all the windows back here. So that way if you are hauling toys back here and you're traveling, nobody can see inside. Here is the half bath tucked away in the corner. It's got your sink, a medicine cabinet in here, 110 outlet by the sink area, and of course the toilet over here. So great addition with the half bath in the garage area. Over beside the entrance door back here is going to be another 110 outlet. We have a remote for the Max Air vent fan up top. You can open and close that and turn it on and off. And that top switch is going to be for the bunk bed system here. Down below, we have your 2 sofas here with the table, which is completely removable. These bottom sofas will lay flat and turn into a sleeping area. And up top, you'll notice we have another bunk bed area. So you can lower that top bunk down to achieve a lot of sleeping back here. Again, we have the 3 Seasons patio door included. And you can have that closed off or opened up like it is right now with those screens to let some fresh air in. Large window over on this side behind the sofa. On the wall, we have a 110 outlet, and then also a spot where you can buy a Bluetooth speaker and dock it and charge it up right there. Here is the patio step. It stores right on the wall. Top right is going to be the vent for that cross ventilation back here. There is also a spot to hang a TV in the back with your connections up top, and there is a TV backer in the wall there. The AC and heat is ducted all the way through. And off to the far right is a place for a camera. So you can add a camera back here to keep an eye on your toys while traveling down the road. And last but not least, in the garage area, we have a spot for a washer dryer hookup, water lines, and 110 outlet is already ran. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolfpack 4500 Pack 14. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.